Today I'm fixing an internal fridge guard for a Samsung single door old model fridge. The new ones come with them internally, but it's also advisable to add another fridge guard. This is an upgrade for it after installing a new thermostat because the fridge was making a lot of ice on the freezer part. So I replaced also the thermostat with the no frost thermostat, the current new thermostat. So if you have an old fridge which makes a lot of ice, you can replace with the new thermostats in the market. I love using the internal guard because first it's hard to remove it by a person unintentionally or intentionally. It operates on a 60 to 50 hertz frequency. So if it's below or over, it will automatically shut down the compressor. Also, if the voltage is high or lower than 220 to 250, it will shut down the compressor. So it will give the compressor a very optimum condition for it to work, and it will last a very long period of time. It has a lot of advantages to it, and it doesn't affect the consumption of power of the fridge in any matter. It took me around 30 minutes for the whole process. Follow the channel so that you can be watching technical information about every day-to-day items and electronics.